Ever wondered where the world's most powerful AI models actually live? It's not just behind the closed doors of big tech. Welcome to Hugging Face. Think of Hugging Face as the GitHub of AI. Just like developers share code on GitHub, AI researchers share over 1.7 million open source models here for free. To find the best tools, use the filters. You can search by task like generating images or summarizing text. Pro tip: look for models with high download counts and likes to find what's trending. Every model has a model card, its instruction manual. Many have a built-in inference widget where you can test the model right in your browser without writing a single line of code. Want to see AI in action? Check out Spaces. These are interactive, free-to-use apps built by the community. It's the easiest way to run powerful models for free on Hugging Face's own servers. Ready for more? You can run these models for free using Google Colab. Just one line of code using the Transformers library lets you pull a world-class AI into your own project. Hugging Face is democratizing AI. Whether you're a curious beginner or a budding developer, the GitHub of AI is your playground. Go ahead, give it a hug.